哎呦我的妈！
Hey yo, what's happening YouTube? It is your boy Kamkhana Patrick, and you know guys, we're back again and again and again and again and again, acting crazy on people and stuff, and it's I don't know, it's 8 o'clock right now, so we here guys in Calfontaine and everything. So guys, yeah, acting crazy on people. So you know man, we always go crazy man, people don't understand anything. So guys, please bear with me until the rest of the video. I love y'all guys, and yeah man, please stay tuned in until the rest of the video. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe guys, please. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Let's get the video to 50 likes. So love y'all guys, love y'all. Let's get into the video. Hey, what's happening YouTube? It is your boy Kamkhana Patrick, and you know y'all guys, I'm back with another video. I'm back again and again. So my boys, I'm crazy today man. I'm crazy today. So whilst I'm crazy like this man, obviously there are people who don't understand this. And I hope that people can see me and everything, because here is life man. You see, this one is life. And I see people walking. Bona bantu bayahamba la. Na bantu bayahamba. Bafethu. Nya manje. Va kula. Manje sikhipha. Why nithi nyahlanje? Why nithi nyahlanje? Why senzani? Why nithi nyahlanje? Come on, no. Manje phela ngingibaleke no. Come on. Manje uyaphi? Manje uyabaleka. Uyangishaya.
哎呦我的妈！
Yeah. Bafethu. Ngiyadlala i-prank. Nenzani sengitop 18 ama.
YouTube, ababa kamera.
Nakuqala futhi bambani ka. Bambani lathi 16.
Lathi 10 mina.
Awuqala kamera. Iva. Lathi 16 ajo.
Chumai. Yo.
Leni.
High flat.
Mina prank Bafethu. Prank Bafethu ne? Kamkhana Patrick ne? Kamkhana Patrick Bafethu. Yakwazi ukuspell. Kamkhana Patrick.
Kamuhelo Patrick.
Yeah.
Kamuhelo
YouTube. Yeah, ku YouTube. Ngizoyithola Bafethu. Sho ngisho. Yayithola. Guys, we hit them there. Look, here wena. That one guys, I don't want to tell you. That one. Guys, was nice. It's nice pranking people, man. It's nice pranking people, man. So we're waiting for others. You understand? You understand, bro? You understand? No. So yes sir, we out here. Bekele beke.
We out here no. Bekele beke fana. Ratla. La umnani mahambiwa ke uzochasa imoto baba uzochasa imoto baba la ungabaleki manje ngishika phela ngiyadlala i-prank sorry i-prank hola yo i-prank dog yo i-prank my boy yo Phuti, ngizacela umtshela la ndingicathulo zakhe prank ne. Betty phone yabo i-mic. Yo, mawumbona ngiyacela. Ayo. Prank dog.
Ufuna iminye ba?
Yo, guys, it is a prank. People don't understand. It was a prank, man. It was a prank. He left his shoes, man. Yo, brothers. Anyway, if you maybe can see this video, man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that, man. It was a prank, man. It was a prank. He didn't understand. Like, he was too afraid, man. Yo. It was a prank. Can't you guys understand? Can't you guys understand? It's a prank. Yo, man, angazi mfethu ngathi singazibeka kahle or something. Or simlani, simcheck. Ujike kanje. Hey yo. Hola. Uphethe manje wena. Prank. Hola. I-prank. Phela ngabambi futhi mafu. Baba, i-prank. Hola, man. No. Niyava i-prank. Kamkhala Fatrix on YouTube. Kamkhala Fatrix on YouTube, man.
Where's the cam, bro?
Kamkhala Fatrix on YouTube, man. Na camera taba mfethu.
Ayini camera asibona.
Hlela umuntu lapha elitsheni, uhleli obvious, hidden camera. It's a prank. Asivayini. Dog. It's a prank, man. It's a prank. Kimo nangya obvious ngiyambona nangu lapha esihlahleni. Dog now. Now awungabaleki. Yini ngathi nyahlanje. Imike.
Ubambi mkulu. Anika.
Imike dog. Kadini ngathi nyahlanje. It's a prank. Ngibambe inkulu. Nayi camera.
Ine plastic baba yahamba.
Kamkhala Fatrix on YouTube. Sure. And nomunye ubalekile ushiya amachapchap guys. Eish. Ngimtshela i-prank uyabaleka njengalo ngimtshela i-prank usaqhubeka. Dog prank.
What kind of prank is it?
Acting crazy on people, prank.
Okay, yabona.
Sure, yeah.
No, boy. He's not gonna come back, nigga.
Kamkhala Fatrix guys. On YouTube, even on TikTok. Sharp.
King, what's the channel?
Kamkhala Fatrix.
Ne.
On. Amachita akhala ngami kakhulu amachita but they didn't trust. That's the thing. Oh, la. Umnan. Eh, baka balik eh. Uci nyatan. Sorry. Prank. Yo. Oh, please, guys. Please. Guys, please ngicela manhlekahlekene like outside the prank. Guys, please. Good bangan boy. Yo, let me switch off this one. Without people noticing. Hola. I'm not. Come hello Patrick's on YouTube. Come hello Patrick's on YouTube. Come hello Patrick's YouTube. Hola. Yeah, man. It's a present. Kau nak malapo.
Come on, man.
Come
Come on.
Pero uya lo
Come on.
Pero yo soy mo, tú ya. Uya. Ya tala. Prank on YouTube.
Oh my God. Come on, pwede nga yes, niyenza.
You prank, ne? What's up? So it was what it is. Sorry guys, I lost a record of this one.
Now my sister ngiyakubona ukuthi eish nobhuti senithukile manje hayi thukile vele
Mara kama jakho say. Mara manje anytime bangavela banithathela amafoni benenze whatever. As long as uphethe ifoni bayithatha.
bayithathe ngisho uyothini uyocabangana uzothukana akazi njengawo bungazi kwenzani Bengiyenza so, bengijaza.
Okay, sexual. Yeah.
Hey yo YouTube, this is your boy Kamkhana Fredericks. I hope y'all guys enjoyed the video. The rest of the video, if you're new to this YouTube channel, guys, please make sure y'all like, share, subscribe on this YouTube channel. Yes sir. For more videos like these, make sure y'all guys subscribe. Subscribe, like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe, like, share, subscribe, so you can see more videos like these on Kamkhana Fredericks YouTube channel. I guess you guys, and please follow me on Instagram, Kamkhana Fredericks, on Facebook, Kamcash, on TikTok, Kamkhana Fredericks. Yes sir. I love y'all guys, and yeah, on TikTok, on Instagram, Kamkhana Fredericks 141. I love y'all guys, and please y'all guys, make sure y'all stay tuned into Kamkhana Fredericks until the rest of your lives. Sharp.